Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video from Aquablooms about care and growth requirements of a planted lotus tuber. Let's bloom together. Growing lotus plant requires a certain amount of diligence. Some very simple and easy care tips that we often forget to do can seriously affect the growth and flowering of the plant. Let's have a look into major requirements of a growing lotus plant. Sunlight. Lotus plant prefer direct sunlight at least 6 hours daily. So please be careful to keep your potted lotus plant in such a place, as sunlight is very essential for the plant to grow healthy and to bloom their best. Soil. We can use garden soil or topsoil from our backyard in preparing potting mix for planting a tuber, but if we use topsoil it has to be free of herbicides, pesticides and other chemicals. Also it should be free of stones, wooden pieces and other extraneous solid objects. The soil in the container should have at least 2 inches to 4 inches of water over the top of it, so that the soil is always under water. Water. Cleanliness and quality of water in which plants grow is very important. If the water level in your tub is low due to evaporation, gently fill the tub or pot with some water every 2 or 3 days without stirring the soil in the tub or pot. Once in 2 weeks, drain out at least 30% of the water in the tub and refill it with fresh water. Doing this will improve plants' growth and maintain health and helps to keep the water clean and clear. Also, in every 10 days, the algae and dirt adhering to the inner wall of the tub or pot can be removed by hand scrubbing. Fertilizer. Fertilizing is necessary for best-looking foliage and prolific blooms in lotus plant. Wait until you have some standing leaves before applying any fertilizer for the first time. Afterwards, fertilize the plants at least once a month. Wrap 1 teaspoon of water-soluble NPK in newspaper and push into the soil away from the root of the plant. In the case of large cultivars, you need to apply 2 teaspoons. For medium and small cultivars, 1 teaspoon is sufficient. Do not apply fertilizer directly to the water in tub, as it will alter the pH of the water and harm the plant and fish in it. Pruning. Remove old leaves and dried flowers of the plant by cutting them off frequently. Do not let them fall off the plant itself into the tub or pot water and rot. When pruning or trimming, never cut flower stems or leaf stems below the water level, as roots and tubers use stems, even dead ones, to help provide oxygen. Floating aquatic plants. If you have aquatic plants like azolla, duckweed, water cabbage etc. in the lotus tub to regulate water temperature, make sure to remove excess of them frequently. Under no circumstances, it become grown crowded inside the tub. Fishies. You can keep larvae-eating fishies like guppies at least 1 pair in the tub. Guppy fish feed on parasites, microorganisms and mosquito larvae that may grow in the tub and cause health problems. Repotting. When lotus plant just begin to fade or show leaf spikes, their tubers may be carefully divided for making new pots. This may also be necessary every few years for older pots that are overcrowded and have exhausted their soil. Usually a couple of growing points on each tuber that are very fragile and easily snap off. If you break them, all off, the tuber will not sprout, no matter how big or fat it is. Hope these tips of knowledge would be useful for you, all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Happy gardening!